Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Faculty Triple B. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how to do a pedicure without the blade. So guys, if you'd like to see on how I did this transformation from this feet to this feet, please guys stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification and stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, if you have a client coming in for pedicure, you have to check the type of nail. So this particular client is having a soft nail, so it's not hard. What I'm going to do first is to trim off the nails. Then next I'm going to apply the cortical softening gel. So this will help to soften out the cuticle in order for me to trim off. These are what I'll be using for the nails. So this is the buffer, the file and the cuticle pusher. So firstly I'll make use of the cuticle pusher to push out or push in the cuticles. So if it's too lengthy or if it's something I need to trim off, then I'm going to do that, make use of the other side of the cuticle pusher without using the cuticle removal. So in this video I'm not going to be making use of the regular cuticle remover. I'll rather be making use of this cuticle pusher and making use of the other edge to just take it out. So I've showing you guys on how to make use of it with just making use of this nails. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so it's very detailed and not too lengthy guys. Next up, make use of the nail file to file the nail to give it shape and look. And I'm just going to go over on the top of the nail, just slightly over the top after filing of the edge, like giving it the shape. Now I'm making use of the buffer just to buff out the nails, make it shine and smooth, of course. Next, I'll be preparing the pedicure bowl. Put in all of the necessary stuff I need to put in the water in order to soften the feet. So guys, this is the bowl. The water is in it already, so I'll be putting in the liquid wash, so you can get anyone you want. So guys, this is antiseptic, so I'll be adding in the antiseptic in the bowl. So next I'll be adding in the foot soak. So guys, like I said, I'll be making this video short and brief. So these are the most three important stuff you need for your pedicure: the pedicure foot soak, the antiseptic liquid, and then the beach gel or any other liquid wash. And then you can choose to add a pedicure tablet to it, especially for those with hard nails, hard feet, sorry. And you can choose to add any rose petals and some other things to it. So but basically these are the most important three ingredients you need for your pedicure. So guys, right now I actually added the Joda cream. I applied the Joda cream onto her feet, then allow it soak for some time. So I basically allow it soak for like 5 minutes. So like I said, she doesn't really have a hard feet, so it just needs to be washed and scraped out without making use of the blade. So guys, right now I'm scraping out the hard that's around the foot heels. So right now I'm around the foot heel to scrape out every necessary thing needed to be scraped. And then once I'm done, you guys would see what I do next. So once I'm done with this step, I'll still have to make use of a particular device. So it's an electronic device which will help to further help me scrape out the feet. So that actually does more of the job. So guys, if you'd like to see what I use next, stay tuned. So guys, like I said, if you are new to my channel and you're probably coming across my channel for the first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification in order for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos. So in this area, in this part, I'm just basically raising off the bubbles of the feet. So I won't be raising it off with a fresh clean water, so just to raise it up, take off the bubble, because I still have to work on the feet before totally raising it off. So guys, so right now this is the device I talked about. This is the electronic foot file. So I'll be making use of this callus removal. So this will help to remove any hard calluses around the feet. So this is what I do. So I'll apply it under the feet. Then next I'm going to let it sit for just 2 minutes. Like I said, her feet is not that hard, so I don't need to let it sit for a very long time. Next, I'm going to be making use of this electronic foot file. As you can see, it's rotating in circular motion. So since the device rotates in circular motion, I don't need to go over the feet on circular motion. I just need to go over it to and fro. So if you go over the feet, like if you handle it in circular motion, just for you to assume, since what am I saying? Okay, let me just put it this way. Since the device rotate in circular motion, you just have to go over the feet to and fro. So you don't need to go over the feet in circular motion in order for you to make effective use of this device. So guys, that's just it. It's easy to use and easy to clean up. Towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to remove the dirt. So maybe in one of my other videos, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to properly clean this device. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like. So guys, after the use of this device, you just have to remove the disposable. So this sandpaper stuff is meant to be disposed after a single use. So guys, after then you have to properly clean. Like I said in my next video, one of my next video, I'm going to show you guys on how to properly clean the device. So right now I will be scrubbing the feet. Of course, we have to exfoliate the feet and the skin around it. So guys, so I'm making use of this exfoliating scrub to scrub the feet. Then next I'm going to apply the oil to massage the feet, and also apply a straightening nail oil, which it helps to take out or helps to prevent any fungal infections around the nails. So guys, if you'd like to see how I did all of that, please stay tuned, watch to the end of this video. So guys, this is the after look of all of the procedure we did. So guys, as you can see, the fit is looking so smooth and clean, and there's no any visible mark of anything that you won't like. So guys, right now I did apply the oil. So I applied it around the nails, so that is the nail oil. So I'll be making use of the oil to massage the face before making use of the proper oil to properly massage the face. So guys, that is the end of this video, this tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Please guys, stay tuned to my next video.